Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video is not shaking too much. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you all. Hope you start the new year well. I know a lot of people make wishes and goals and stuff for the new year. Hopefully your goals come through for this year and all your wishes. I made a few of my own I did a vision board for this year because vision board works pretty good for us, for me and my husband. So we did a vision board for this year, and hopefully all of our wishes come through. But I actually just up on here to actually tell you guys Happy New Year, and all the blessings for the new year. I'm gonna give you a short video of what's going on outside. For those of you who have a little bit of snow, we got a lot of snow today. I'm gonna do a short video because I don't want to be outside. The new year for me started out with me not feeling my best self. I was a little under the weather. I'm still fighting through it. And a few of you guys text me because you was hoping for that Christmas pack away video to see how to work through yours, and that didn't happen. Like I said, I wasn't well, so still not doing my best, so I couldn't do that video for you. I'm not actually gonna go outside in the snow. I'm gonna let my husband do that for me, to do a quick video to show you what's going on, because it's pretty high over here. Pretty high. Anyway, Happy New Year to you all again, and hope you enjoyed a little bit that I have to show you out here. It's snow, so for the beginning it's beautiful, and right after it's finished and it starts to melt, it's disgusting. Yes. So enjoy and bye-bye. Happy New Year.
you.